Spin out images or videos in under 30 seconds with native audio synced in video. Here's some examples of how to use it. Select the Grok Imagine image model on an image node and type in your prompt. Set your aspect ratio and generate your image in seconds. Modify your image by dragging out another image node. Set it to Grok Imagine and type in what to change. Animate your frame by connecting a video node. Choose the Grok Imagine video model. Grok Imagine is also capable of producing sound within video by just typing it in the prompt. Select the duration up to 15 seconds, the aspect ratio, and the resolution up to 720p. Modify or stylize your video by connecting another video node. Select Grok Imagine Edit and type in the parts you would like to change in the prompt. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.